Hello, this is Shree for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. I felt like we were just here. This week went by really super fast for me. So we are back again, except a Halloween manicure. I am doing a breast cancer awareness manicure. It is the month of October, and you know what that means, ladies. It's time for our annual mammograms. Hope you're checking yourself each and every month in the shower. That's the best way to do it, or laying down on your back. Arm raised above, and you know the drill, counterclockwise. If you don't do that, which I hope to God you do, get your mammograms done. It's that time of the year. You can find them if you have no insurance. You dial 211 on your phone, your cell phones. You can find free mammograms pretty much everywhere at this time of the year. Go be checked. Don't be a statistic. So it's time for Save the Tatas. Wish I could freehand that. What I am going to do, I'm going to do a ribbon here. A bunch of small ribbons. And this pink one I'm going to do a sugar nail. I do love a sugar nail, as I keep telling everybody. So for that I'm going to use the SheModern glue gel. And I'm going to coat the nail, pop it in the lamp for 30. Make sure you get your sides covered so that everything sticks. Oh shoot. And I said shoot, not the other word. I don't swear. I know I've watched a couple of my videos back and I thought, ooh, that sounded like the other word. And I don't swear, so we're going to do this with the sugar nail. I guess I got to go back and say, oopsie. I really don't want to do that. So we are going to use this for, what is this? For decals. We're going to do this nail and this nail. I'll be putting these on, popping these in the lamp for 30. Cover your nail completely, side to side, cuticle to tip. Because you want your decals to stick. And these are foil water decals, of course, from SheModern. I wouldn't be using another foil decal on a SheModern Saturday. Come on now. Come on now. I'm sure everybody's getting ready for Halloween because it is October after all. I'm going to put these two in the lamp. Here, these for 30. I am using my Sun BQ, I don't know if it's GT6G, I don't know, I can't see. It's a 108 watt nail lamp I got off of Amazon for like 30 bucks. Whoops. I kind of have a hard time seeing the buttons, but whatever, it works, and it works great. I don't have to cure for 60. I've also, here it is. I can do a 30-second full cure, and it's cured just like as if I were to do, once these new SheModern, they are self-pouring, and that's the one thing I don't like. I wish they would go back to the other nozzles where you had to tap, 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 tap. We are going to rub our sugar in. Rub our sugar in. And you only need a little bit. A little bit of SheModern product goes a long way. And I have heard people complain they cost so much. And if you look at it like that, they kind of do. But if you look at how long this bottle is going to last you, it ain't so much. I've been doing my SheModern products since I've been in contact with them. I'm going to say 2 years. Maybe a little over 2 years. I still have those same bottles. Well, I don't particularly have them. I passed them along to another gal, Neil Crazy Mama, so she can get acquainted with SheModern products. So she can, I didn't have my light on. So she can have some beautiful manicures as well. Look at how beautiful this is. I feel like this isn't covered over here. That's our sugar nail for breast cancer awareness. I love, love, love the pink. I'm going to pop this back in the lamp for a quick second. I could only hit the right button. So let me clear this, so I no longer need that palette. Might need it later for something else. So let me see which nail is which. So, forgive me, I'm over here dropping things. I have got my ice cube stamper from Maniology. I do have a discount code for them. I believe it is just nailed at 10. I will leave in the description box and across the bottom of the screen here what my code is, so you can use it if you like. Save yourself 10%. I have got the water jelly paints neon pink. This is air dry. I don't have the pink gel. I don't know which is which of these nails. Let me put them in here so I can take a gander. Okay, now I know. So, I know I'm looking really strange doing all this. There's our sugar nail, fresh out of the lamp again. I do that because it helps adhere any leftover sugar, glitter, pigment, whatever you want to call it. I call it sugar. Left on the nail that isn't secure. It will adhere it down into the glue. I have got the little brush from SheModern that they send out. I have got my jelly water paint, air dry. I've got my ribbon from SheModern for breast cancer. Well, you can use it for any awareness. I'm going to color this in pink. Pink. I think these are so pretty. I love, love, love the jelly water paints. Tina also has the gel water paints, which you cure in the lamp. I'm having a hard time bracing my finger. Let me look. Whoops. Whoopsie. Let me take a gander. Okay, we have to set this aside, let this dry. I'm gonna clean my brush. Oh, I lost a little jobby do to it too. Oh. Throw this away. There we go. We are done with those. Next we have got. Let me just take this off here so I don't get confused. We have got some little ribbons from Charlie's Nail Art that I'm going to put on the middle finger. Just a bunch of little ribbons. Gotta show your support for breast cancer awareness. Again, ladies, please get those mammograms done. Early detection is the key. That could save your life. For a top coat, I am going to be using iGel Beauty because that's what's still out on the desk. I haven't put it away since I used it last. So we're going to use this. We are going to secure our ribbons. Okay, I'm gonna cheat doing this way. When that comes out, we will put more on. and give it a really good glossy top coat. On the baby finger, the pinky, and the thumb, I'm going to put some pink bling. So we are top coating right now those two nails. And then we're almost done with our manicure. Ooh, something just fell. I don't know what it was, but I seen something fall out of the corner of my eye. Okay. On the pinky and the thumb, we are going to put, I'm just going to put maybe one each. Just one each. Oh, it's pretty good. Smack dab in the center it went. So I'm going to stick those back in the lamp. Whoops. Give those a nice cure. And then we're going to come back and top coat this nail properly. I think these are so pretty. Thank God gel top coat, or gel polish in general, self-levels. Like regular lacquer polish does not. So thankful for that. So thankful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Put this on here. I'm going to stick this baby back in the lamp again. Let it finish curing. Let me check our stamper. No, it's not dry yet. I think I messed it up. I think I messed it up, so we have a little bit more drying time to go. When it is ready, I will be back. Alright, we should be back, and our ribbon should be dry now, so I'm going to place it strategically on the nail. Oh my god, and there was glitter on it. Oh! Oh my god. Let me see if I can get this glitter off here. Oh, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe it. Oh, what? There we go. I think we did it. So I'm going to top coat this baby, pop her in the lamp for, might as well do a 60. And this is a hollow. Hollow. Hello, Erica. I didn't forget about you, baby girl. I did not forget about ya. Hollow. See how beautiful is that? Look, we have a hollow pink ribbon. Breast cancer awareness. Pop that in the lamp, 30 seconds on the clock. I'm going to get my lint-free roller and clean my stamper. It looks quite dirty to me. Gonna clean both sides. Whoops. This looks like it's got a fingerprint, which could only be mine. So I'm going to clean this real good. Put the wet roller away. Turn the head of your stamper back over and insert. Hope you stuck out with me this long. We are almost at the end. I can pull the nail out of the lamp now. And here is our breast cancer mani for breast cancer awareness for the month of October 2020. I think this looks very cute, elegant, simple, straight to the point. And that's what I'm aiming for. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. What you think, how you feel about this, whatever. It is what it is. This is my mani for this month. I think, well, wait a minute. I did 2 manis this month for, we did the Glitter Girls Breast Cancer Awareness where I did my pink ghosts. And then we've got this one. So I think these turned out really well. I really do. I like it. It's clean, fresh, elegant. So you have yourselves a blessed day. Remember, which men can get breast cancer too. I don't know if anybody out there knows this. You can. As long as you've got breast tissue, you can catch breast cancer. So, men, check yourselves. You never know. I have heard of it. I definitely have heard of it. But on that note, hope you like my mani. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. Clicked all on the bell. And now we're at our end. Until next time, have a blessed day. Thank you.